all, guys.
Hi guys. So we're gonna
This
play
is
a
a
game.
video. Today we're gonna play the letter game. Anyways, now go. Or is it my turn?
Yeah, it's your turn.
R.
Robin.
Man, I thought you were gonna say Roblox.
Yeah, Roblox is standing right here on my phone.
It seems to sound
Wait.
Let me think. Okay.
Chicken
Kangaroo.
And it is kangaroo starts with a chicken cup.
Wait, why is it going so fast? Oh, never mind, it was just myself.
Come.
Oh, wait. K.
Kangaroo. What K?
No, actually, wait.
What K? The C for cat or the K for kicking?
Let me think quickly. Huh.
Hannah. Hannah wil maak my dood. Hannah gaan my dood maak. Die.
Change. Wait.
Taufik. I think you're stubborn. It's not tofu, it's Taufik. It's a TikToker.
Oh, wait. B.
Bomboklats.
That isn't That isn't a real word.
It is Bomboklats. Comment down below if Bomboklats is a real word.
And this goes viral.
Okay, V.
Waves.
That's not a word.
Vase. It was vase.
You said vases.
It's a real word.
Okay, sorry.
Guys, comment down below if it's a real word.
If it goes viral like she said.
Wait.
Guys, I'm scared she's gonna rat me door.
C.
Say, what C? What C? The what C you didn't say.
Kalika.
Oh, cat.
Money. That's the way. Take it.
You didn't say what C was. It?
Oh my gosh. Do you not know what a C is? Guys, you never learned how physics.
Okay, now going back on.
I drew all on accident. Dog.
Yeah. Guys, I don't know what's AB. I don't know what's my turn, my book. So I always say and then I forgot my
N.
no.
Oh.
Wait, let's sing a song with the letter no. Like I. Okay, sit down. I.